Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today episode we base on pH scale, and why am I dropping this video on pH scale? Basically, there are many JAMB students out there who find it difficult to understand the concept of pH. So looking at the question you have on the board, the pH of a solution of 0.25 mole per dm cube of hydrochloric acid is what? This 2023 question number 36. And before we go into that, what is pH? pH can be defined as the negative logarithm to base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. So with that, you can say I have pH equal minus the negative logarithm in base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. And mind you, we are asked to look for pOH, and the formula for that, we can have it to be pOH plus pH is equal to what? 14. And in some cases, you can easily have it to be what? pH plus pOH is equal to what? 14. Are you with me now? So how do we tackle a question like this? First and foremost, you need to understand the concept of ionic equation. And what does that imply? That is, you need to know how to write out equation of any compound given to you now before you start preparing for more of exam. So now I have HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, and I have this hydrogen ion plus Cl. We have a negative. Our business is only this because here is the only hydrogen ion. So with that, I can say my pH is equal to this. Are you with me? So now, what is our hydrogen ion? It is stated clearly in the question. So you can say I have pH is equal to minus logarithm in base 10 of 0.25. You close the brackets. This bracket you have in here is called concentration. So with that, I can say that I have pH is equal to minus. Let's open this. And before you can open this bracket, you have to make this one to be in a standard form. We have 2.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So with this, when you open the bracket, we're having minus 2.5 log 2.5 base 10 minus, don't forget, logarithm base this. Are you with me now, class? So with this now, it is what? Clear enough for you to proceed and know what's next. And mind you, in your JAMB, they won't provide you with any question, or they won't give you anything based on this. Are you with me now? So now we can say we have minus log 2.5 base 10 and this minus log. So if we are to make this one mathematically now, this will give us, don't forget, in mathematics you will drop this, the power to the back, and when you do that, you'll be having what? 2.5 base 10 minus, open the brackets, minus 1, and log 10 base 10 is equal to what? 1. So you don't have to repeat that anymore. So now we can easily punch our calculator to look for the logarithm of 2.5. Mind you, in JAMB will not give you a scientific calculator. Rather, you'll be given what? The screen calculator. Are you with me now? So if we have this, so we can say we have log 2.5, we are having what? Don't forget to have a negative sign. That will be minus 0.397 minus times minus. Mathematically, we have plus what? Plus 1. So now let's punch our calculator by saying minus 0.397 plus 1. We have 0.603. Mind you, we are looking for what? pH. So our pH is given to be what? 0.603. Some students are funny that we're calling it 0.603. Is wrong. It is called 0.603. So now let's go back to this formula, this one here, that states that we have what? pH plus pOH is equal to what? 14. Mind you, we are looking for our pOH. So class, what is the value of pH? We have 0.603 plus POH is equal to what? 14. So you can say we have 0. POH is equal to what? 14. We have invisible positive sign here. When it's crossed to the other side, we have what? Minus 0. So now let's take a look at that. So said 14 minus 0.603. Class, we have 13.397. If you have to approximate this, nothing like 13.397 on among the options there. So you have to approximate this. So we having what? When you approximate, you have 13.40. So our POH is given to what? 13.40, which is what? Option B. Are you with me, class? So this is how you solve equation based on the steps under pH.